Hello mga kabsat! Welcome to our travel diary.
Welcome back, guys! So we're continuing our Chiang Mai travel diary. And for this part of the trip, we're heading to Mae Kampong village. On the way na kami to Mae Kampong, Chiang Mai. Year-end travel lang and it's just the two of us. Just drive and enjoy lang yung road. Mae Kampong is a small village sa mountains. Malapit lang siya from the city. Pwede kayong magmotor, mag-rent ng car, or mag-van papunta dito. If you're driving, ingat lang talaga kasi makitid yung road at maraming liko. May mga cafes and activities din along the way, so pwede kayong mag-stop, like strawberry picking, temple visits, or the hot springs. Andito na kami sa area. As you get closer, ingat lang talaga sa pagdadrive kasi mas lalo nang makitid yung road. Hindi pala allowed mag-park sa village area. So, mas okay na maghanap ng parking space nearby. From there, konting lakad na lang siya, hindi naman ganun kalayo. Mas mai-enjoy nyo pa yung place pag nilakad nyo lang. Peak season ngayon, kaya medyo may traffic sa area. Yeah, we got lucky. Nakahanap kami ng parking and we only paid 50 baht. Peak season nga ngayon, kaya maraming turista. Akala ko hindi na kami makakahanap ng parking space, pero buti na lang talaga kasi sayang naman ang pagpunta namin dito. Anyways, this place is surrounded by mountains, kaya ang sarap ng weather. Sakto lang to enjoy strolling the place and nasa gitna siya. Pagpasok pa lang, ito na ang agad ang bungad ng entrance. May mga shops na nagbibinta ng food and may parking space na reserve lang for public transportation. You can feel yung Mae Kampong vibes, different from the city kahit maraming turista. May mga street food din dito like this one. Ang tawag dito sa Thai is Kai Pham. Simple lang siya pero ang sarap. Perfect pang snack habang nag-iikot dito sa Mae Kampong. Very light din siya. And if you're on a diet, mataas siya sa protein. Peak season talaga ngayon, kaya ang daming tao everywhere. It was a bit chaotic sa sobrang dami ng tao, but it's fine. We can still feel the vibes of the place. Pagdating sa food, sobrang daming choices dito sa Mae Kampong. Street food overload. May grilled, may fried, may matatamis, may pang snack lang, and one of the best to try talaga is yung sausage. If gusto mo lang siyang tikman, may maliit naman na serving. Tapos pag nagustuhan mo siya, may malaking sausage din. Perfect pang pasalubong. And it's so nice, ang saya lang mag-ikot kasi halos bawat kanto may food stall. Hindi ka mamumroblema kung anong kakainin mo. Ikaw na lang pipili. And good luck sa diet at saka na mag-exercise next year. And of course, yung isaw. Ito na yata yung highlight ng food trip namin dito. Simple pero sulit. Ibang level ang sarap ng smoky flavor and iba ang sarap talaga. Mae Kampong food hits different. Simple lang pero comforting. Perfect siyang kainin habang naglalakad. Nag-e-explore and just enjoying the vibe. Marami talagang pwedeng puntahan dito sa Mae Kampong. May waterfalls, cafes, and river streams. Sadly, hindi namin nagawa lahat ngayon. Originally, plan sana namin magstay ng one night dito. Pero dahil peak season, fully booked lahat ng rooms. So, we decided na lang na magstay sa city and day trip na lang dito sa village. Mas okay talaga bumisita dito on a regular day. Mas konti ang tao and mas sulit i-explore. After maglakad-lakad sa area and magpicture, naghanap na rin kami ng makakain. We ended up choosing a Chinese restaurant. Maganda yung mga restaurants dito. May river stream view, tapos ang sarap pakinggan ng tunog ng tubig. Hindi naman kami super gutom, so light snacks lang muna. Bumili rin ako ng street food sa labas. Honestly, must try talaga siya pag nagpunta kayo dito sa Mae Kampong. After that morning stroll sa Mae Kampong, nagbiyahe na rin kami papuntang Monjem. Mga half-hour drive lang siya, kaya malapit lang din. One of the activities we really wanted to try is yung jungle space. To try the giant swing, zip line, and some jungle activity sana. Pero dahil sobrang daming tao and medyo late na rin na kami nakarating, around 3 AM na yata in the afternoon, sobrang haba na ng pila. Nagpark pa kami sa baba and umakyat papunta sa activity area. Pero since limited na rin yung time namin, we decided to go back na lang. Hopefully, makabalik kami dito on a regular day para matry talaga siya. Nandito na kami sa Monjem area. Malapit lang to sa May Kampong. Just a short stop and quick drive lang para makita yung place. Mostly glamping, camping ang activity dito. And ang ganda ng weather kaya perfect magstay overnight. You can rent a room or tent. Monjem is also famous for its flowers, nature vibes, and mga oranges. Kaya super nice din mag-picture dito. Nabubulol na ako. Ang cute lang, may mga local kids din na naglalaro dito. Tapos ang ganda pa ng mountain view. Honestly, parang Baguio vibe siya. Kung nakapunta ka ng Baguio, or parang, I can say, sa Benguet, which is my hometown, simply and very calming. Of course, bumili rin kami ng oranges, and iba yung tamis ng orange nila dito. And very fresh. Doing a road trip together with your partner is so great. Not a fancy activity, pero peaceful and worth it. Playing some music, singing together while enjoying the view habang bumibiyahe, ganito yung mga biyahe na hindi mo minamadali. Drive lang and take everything in. After a long day of traveling, wala pa rin kaming proper na kain, kaya nag-stop over kami dito sa River Restaurant. Ang ganda ng place, sobrang sarap tambayan because of the ambience. You can enjoy your food here, near the river, take photos, or just relax with a cup of tea or coffee. Sakto lang yung punta namin kasi hindi pa madilim, so na-enjoy talaga namin yung place. I think ang ganda rin pumunta dito in the morning. Napapalibutan ng trees kaya very peaceful and malamig siya. Ang ganda ng restaurant paggabi din, lalo na yung lights. Ang tahimik, ang calming, parang ang sarap lang mag-pause saglit after a long day of traveling. Perfect way to end the day before heading back. After eating, we headed out na and continued our drive to the city. Ang sarap din pala ng ganitong travel, no? Just the two of us. No rush, no pressure. Drive lang, enjoy the road, enjoy the moments, and enjoy the small stops along the way. Walang fixed plan kung saan pupunta. Just going with the flow. Minsan ganito lang talaga yung kailangan natin. Lumabas, maglakad-lakad, and spend quality time. This trip may be simple, but it felt enough. Thank you for watching and being part of our travel. As always, stay humble and see you in the next page of our travel. Bye!